Tea time with Trav. I don't understand how Netflix keep reinventing the circle every season. Like, no season is ever like the one before. It's like it just get better and better and better and better. They never miss, honestly. What's going on, y'all? It's Ayootravv, and I'm back, biggity back. I'm back again, and we got KFC. If you didn't read the title, we got KFC, y'all. I have 8 pieces of chicken and the KFC bowl. About to say grace, and I'm jumping right in. I'm a little thirsty. Phoenix Journals up there, y'all. Father God, I come today to ask you watch over this food. Please have bear nourishment to my body. Please have not just this food properly. And in my prayer, amen, amen, amen. Amen. Sit it on the floor before I start operating. How's everybody day going? Mine is going good. It's about to be better once I start eating. We are going to start with a breast, of course. Y'all knew that. Give y'all a bite. I love when it be fresh, y'all. I can't stand going to like chicken places and you could tell that it's been sitting out. But it's definitely fresh. We're into this bowl. Stir it up a little bit. I'm gonna toss some, this is the mac and cheese bowl, y'all. So I'm gonna toss a little gravy on here. Just a little bit. Actually, move my fork so y'all can see. Is it focused? There we go. Boom. Now I ain't never had the mac and cheese bowl with gravy on top, so we're gonna see what it's like. I hope I didn't regret doing that, 'cause I sure put a lot too. It should be good. Oh yeah, that is good. It's good, just hot. Yeah, I'll be wasting so many napkins. Did I mention I was hungry? I was starving. Starving. It was something I was supposed to do today. Ooh, I'm gonna gag later. What was I supposed to? Woo! What? Tea time with Trav. I was picking my who. Now, I don't know if y'all watching this new season of The Circle, but let me tell you, it's good. It's really good. It's really good. And I don't get it. I don't understand how Netflix keep reinventing The Circle every season. Like, no season is ever like the one before. It's like it just get better and better and better and better. They never miss, honestly. Like, each episode is good. Now, I do think we're about to get into some characters. I think some of these people are playing with their heart a little bit too much and not with their head. More recently, Raven, she had a thing with Marvin, and then Marvin started flirting with another girl, and, stuff started to hit the fan, and she eliminated him solely based off the fact that he was flirting with somebody else. And I don't think that was smart. I think that might hurt her in the long run. Because regardless of how you felt personally, game-wise, that was another number for her. Like, he was never going to turn against her. He was just thinking with his, his thing when flirting with somebody else. Well, I wouldn't got rid of him, especially because he was so apologetic. Now, if he meant it genuinely or not, who knows? I really think he did, but I would use that to my advantage. You want to make it up to me, make sure you keep ranking me number one. Or if you ever get number one, don't eliminate me. That was real crunchy. She could have kept using him as a solidified number. And truthfully, if the other side of the game don't band together, either Chaz, Raven, or Sam is going to win. Because each elimination, one of those three, if not 2 out of 3, have been a top influencer. So I think people playing it too. They playing it too safe. They playing it too safe. Instead of trying to team up with an alliance that's already built, they need to be going after them. Now, Sasha, which was a catfish, but y'all know that was one of the original Circle players. Do I want to say she or he? I kind of want to say he, but the character is Sasha. Tried to create a new members like alliance to where they target the originals. And I thought that was smart. I thought that was very smart. But the fact that everybody else was scared to go along with it, it just shows that they're playing a scare game. Because at the end of the day, they could have outnumbered the originals. Because that alliance is like this. Nobody's going to be able to break those three up. So as long as those three have each other in their corner, one of them are going to win. Because y'all want to play a scare game. Now, I do think that Jennifer, which is made up of two people that were eliminated on the first episode, I think how Jennifer is playing it is kind of smart. I do think there may be a little bit of flaws in Jennifer's game, but Jennifer is not sitting down and losing. You know what I'm saying? It's like everybody else is just going under that trap and they keep voting them number one or number two. And it's like, why would you do that? Chaz has been top influencer, I think, 3 times maybe. And I think Raven has been top influencer 3 times. Now Sam got her first one. Why not rank them low? And it's not that they're bad people. It's just, I want to win a game. I want to win. So guess what? You gotta go. The 3 of y'all are a threat. And they literally just handed them $100,000. They handed it over to them. They might as well just not even play the game at all. The way they let them win. And I'm so shocked that Raven voted Marvin off. Like, I'm really shocked. Like, for real. I think that was not the best move. Now, right, just because I said that, she probably gonna win. But I do agree that right now, Raven and Chaz may be playing the best game. But it's all about moving forward. How that other alliance strategizes against them. Because at the end of the day, Raven, Sam, and Chaz cannot win. So they're going to have to turn their back on one of them people at some point. And if that other alliance was smart, I think they will get with Chaz. Either Chaz or Raven. Definitely not Sam, because she don't be with it. Like, I don't think they can get her to budge. But Raven, because it seemed like she kind of has like a big heart, she will believe something that the other side of the house tells her. I said house like they live in the same house. The other half of the circle will tell her. Because the way she flipped on Marvin so fast, when Tom told her that he was like sending naked pictures to somebody else, it shows that she's kind of impressionable. I would start there. I would definitely start there for sure. Well, if they have like one more anonymous game or something, I would try to get Raven to flip. And I think I would try to get her to flip on Chaz first. Although I really do like Chaz, and if he won, I would not be upset. I'll be very happy because I really do like him as a player, and I think he's fine as hell. If I was playing the game, I would just have her flip on him first. Because he's number one right now. I feel like he has the most wins out of everybody. And he has the most people in his corner because not only would Sam rank him number one, you have Raven that would possibly rank him number one, And then you have Oliver, who then like fell in love with this man and don't even know that this man is engaged. So he would probably rank him number one, like if they got like all the way to the finale. Yeah, no. It's time for them to stop playing with their heart and play with their head. Because Sam tried to. She tried to get either Jennifer or Tom out. Because she said one of them was the hacker, which they were. She just didn't know who it was. But she knows one of them, and both of them are working together. So getting one of them out would have been best for her game. But Raven was so stuck on Marvin being a hoe, they eliminated somebody in their lines. And I was just sitting, I was shocked. I think that was one of the biggest shocks of this season to me. When they said that name, my mouth literally said, oh my God. Because I just knew it was going to be Jennifer or Tom. And honestly, I would not be opposed to Jennifer winning. I wouldn't be opposed because I feel like she didn't play a scared game. She's not playing a safe game. Like, to be the hacker and to hack somebody's profile, to have a conversation with the person that they're closest to, it takes some balls to do that. As if they wasn't gonna find out, which they did. Sam figured out who it was. Chaz, not so much. He think it's somebody else. But they ultimately figured out that it was not the two of them having that conversation. So I think that take a lot of balls. So they kind of won me over that episode. And I was like, I like that. But that's something I would do. If I play a game like that, I'm not playing safe. I was always told scared money don't make no money. So if you're playing the scare game, you're out of there. And I would rather my legacy be he went out with a bang or trying to make a bang and it failed, or he won because he did some outrageous stuff throughout this whole game. I'd rather get eliminated because I tried to make a big move and it failed as opposed to making it far and still losing. But I played the scare game. Yeah. I wouldn't be able to play no scare game. Not at all. Especially because in a game like that, you genuinely do not know what people are thinking. You don't know what they're thinking and you don't know what they're saying. All you have is these instant messages. So, in my eyes, none of y'all can be trusted. So I'm gonna backstab all of you. Cause I'm gonna get you before you get me. I don't really know what you're doing. Just like season 2 with Courtney and River. Courtney ranked River low in the finale because he knew if he did it, River had more of a chance to beat him. So it's like, at some point, the person that you're working with is going to turn their back on you. So guess what? I'm going to load the gun up and I'm going to shoot it first before you get me. Kill or be killed. Blocked or be blocked. Wait. Blocked, wait. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know exactly what I'm trying to say. I probably said it all wrong, but y'all get it. I'm kind of full, y'all. I'm glad I didn't get a 12 piece. That would have been a waste. A whole waste. Yeah, I'm getting full. La da dee, da da da. La da dee da da da. Yeah, I'm full. My phone vibrating, y'all. It's down about my foot. I'm about to pick it up in 2.5 seconds. Oh, whatever. Woo! You already know what to do. Check the description box below for the website, Ayootravv.com. That's where you get the Ayo sauce, the Ayo bunch, the Ayo drip, all that. If you have not subscribed to the channel, the red button right there, the bell right there. So you can notify each and every time I drop in a video. But if not, if you want to stay connected with Ayootravv outside of YouTube, jump back into the description box. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Right there, you're going to see my social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, BIGO, Abby. Follow me. Let me come to Instagram. Let me come there. Do whatever. Let me know. Sorry, but don't know. But don't see. But other than that, it's been real. Ayootravv is out.